Welcome to the channel. Broccoli is often overlooked, but this humble green vegetable is a true nutritional heavyweight. Today, we're diving into the top 5 amazing benefits of adding broccoli to your diet.
Benefit 1. Cancer prevention. Broccoli is rich in a compound called sulforaphane. Studies show this powerful compound actively works to fight cancer cells, particularly those related to the breast, prostate, and colon.
Benefit 2. Stronger bones. Forget dairy. Broccoli is a fantastic source of calcium and vitamin K. These two nutrients are vital for maintaining bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis as you age. Benefit 3. Boosts your immune system. Need to fight off a cold? Broccoli is loaded with vitamin C. A single cup can provide more than your daily requirement. Vitamin C is the cornerstone of a healthy immune system.
Benefit 4. Promotes heart health. Broccoli contains high levels of fiber and potassium. Fiber helps lower bad cholesterol, while potassium is known to relax blood vessels, helping to regulate healthy blood pressure.
Benefit 5. Supports healthy digestion. The abundant dietary fiber in broccoli is essential for a happy gut. It promotes regularity, prevents constipation, and feeds the good bacteria in your colon, leading to better overall digestive health.
So, there you have it. 5 incredible reasons to make broccoli a regular part of your meals. Do you have a favorite broccoli recipe? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.